Hi, and welcome to Ohio University Event Services Virtual Event Management System. This guide will walk you through reserving spaces in the various event spaces controlled by Event Services. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate your browser to the Virtual Event Management System, or VEMS for short. Go to ohio.edu/event-services/events. This will take you to the VEMS homepage. If you've already created an account, click the Login button. If not, click below to watch a tutorial on how to create an account. Here's where you'll enter your VEMS login information. Enter your user ID, which is your Ohio ID, and password, and click Login. Next, place your mouse over Reservations and select Major Space Request. In the When and Where section, enter or click the calendar icon to select a date or range of dates for the event. To the right of the calendar icon is the Recurrence button. If your event occurs more than one time in the future, click Recurrence, or continue watching this video to book a single event. Select the date your meeting or event will happen by clicking on the calendar icon. Next, enter the start and end times of your event. In the Setup Information section, enter the estimated attendance for your event. This will help our system to narrow down which rooms are most suitable for your event. There are 3 options to choose from under Setup Type. Refer to the diagrams at the top of the page to see what the layouts look like for each setup. If you would like to specify certain features about a room, use the availability filter on the left. After you've done that, click Find Space. Next, a list of available rooms will appear. If you want more information about a room or to see pictures of the room, click on the room number. Once you find a space to use, click the green plus arrow next to the room and click Continue. This will bring you to the screen where you'll enter all of the information about your event. Enter the event name and event type. Under Customer Details, select the customer. That's the organization that's sponsoring the event. For first contact, select the person who's the main contact for the event. If the person's name is not listed, select Temporary Contact and enter that person's information. Under the Other Information category, enter a brief description of the event and answer the other questions listed. If you're using spaces that utilize standard setup, select the setup type you're using here. And for other setup and AV needs, refer to the drop-down boxes in this section right here and click to expand those as necessary. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit Reservations, and that's it. You're done. In a few days, you should receive a confirmation email from Event Services letting you know your reservation was successful. It's important to note that just because a room appears available on VEMS does not mean that you'll necessarily get it. We process reservation requests in the order that they're received.